TayReese. Alright, so yeah, chat. What I want to do is basically explain to y'all what the metadata is. So the metadata basically helps you rank for your SEO. So if you go to here and you click Control F, and you put your title like right here, you put some in your title. What you want to see is this being copied right here. So the first third of the title, you see we got Lake and Health, and then Lake and Health again, and then Lake and Health at the bottom for the chapters, and then we got Lake and Health again for the keywords tags, and then we got Lake and Health for the keywords again. So the hashtag. So what that does, that helps YouTube know where to push this video. So you see right here, and then we for the thumbnail part, we didn't put the title in the thumbnail. That's the main part of it. You want to put the, but you want to make sure you don't put the exact title in the thumbnail. You can put search. You just don't want to put the exact, like, the first starting of the title in the thumbnail. You want to like, AI knows how to make the thumbnails, and I'm gonna show y'all a video on this channel how to come up with the thumbnail ideas. But yeah, so you see our Turner. Anything related to an AI voice, I don't care if it's shorts, I don't care if it's a long form video. If you ever use an AI voiceover, make sure this box is checked. If this box is not checked, YouTube will flag your channel with fraud and deception, and your channel will get banned for spam or fraud and deceptions. You know, so you want to make sure this box is checked. They're using this box to check for channels and make sure they're not spamming the system and make sure it's not no bot. So yeah, it's actual human being running this channel. So yeah, so for this right here, you see we put Lake and Health right here again. We put it for the keywords, and you see, so what we could basically do is, you see education. It was education, yeah, education, and then for this part, I believe, chat, yeah. All right, so for this part, whoa. Sorry, chat, sorry. All right, so for this part, you see stealth, and you can see the overall score. You can see, like, if we go to here, you can see for this one right here, look, we go to stealth right here, and you can see the overall score is 60,000 monthly searches, and competition high, overall score 58 overall score, and you want something like that, chat. That helps well. So, like I said, this video one out of 10. And I know YouTube is not an easy game, but once you dive down into it, bro, it become easier than you think. So, like I said, what I basically did to get these titles, I follow everybody back on Twitter. I'm not against nobody. I don't care if you do OnlyFans. I don't care if you're a stripper, model. I don't care if you're an influencer, rapper. Everybody gets their own follow back by TayReese, bro. They deserve it, bro. Much love, bro. More people need much love in this world, for real. So I'm gonna do these streams for y'all to help y'all grow. Like I said, I'm the best YouTube automation streamer real wide. Nobody else can replace me, bro. But yeah, so alright, so for this part is what I basically did. Alright, so what I basically did is I brought a pill. So what a broad appeal is, basically, I'm gonna explain it to y'all. So yeah, this is the S1 pattern. I don't want to explain that method to y'all just yet. I want to focus on this method, get y'all this method where I come for. So the niche longevity and viral audit. Alright, so the niche longevity and viral audit. So we come up there. Alright, so yeah, just hold up, chat, real quick. Hold up while I go through this. Alright, so let's paste this title here. Let's go to video analytics. Alright, so y'all can see too what I did too. So when I first started it, bro, I had an 89, and then I had an 84 on homepage, 84 up next. So in the search, what I basically did, and then you see, gave me reach, and then the 8% CTR. So like I said, your thumbnails, they gotta just align with your niche, and they gotta go with your niche style. Like, you see, because how did you know about the thumbnail style? Because I seen right here, Beyond Sky. So I see that nobody was really doing this white background stuff. So he was doing it to go viral. And I seen 18,000, and then he had the average subscribers, 18K subscribers, 4 million channel views. But I was seeing his latest videos. He had latest videos with the style. So what I basically did is I reverse engineered the style and brought it to my lane. But I made mine's a bit different. So yeah, I made mine's a bit different, and you see that it stands out. So yeah, so this channel is still, I gotta stay consistent on it, but you see, look, 24 views per hour, and then 1 month ago, but I could always revive it. I already got the ways to revive it, but yeah, that's what I want to basically show y'all, and I want to show y'all how I did come up with this title. So what I basically did, I found the already going viral title, so I believe I basically went over to here, I went over to British, I went over to here, so I basically brought it this title right here, and then it basically, like, reverse engineered this title, and it made me a viral one with an SEO score. So that was the title I used, and it got me a viral SEO score. So you can see right here, we go to this, and we can always see our chats when we bought it. So yeah. So we go to here, yesterday, right here, you see yesterday. So I can scroll up for y'all, scroll up a bit, scroll up all the way, scroll up a bit. Y'all can see, like, I was bringing these screenshots yesterday. So this is basically what I brought it. So I basically just brought it here. Let's make a new method, and then I basically told it the channel URL. I said, okay, let's make a new method, and then I basically went through it and I said, let's make a new method together, and let's make a new method. So it says competitors route video. I told it basically go through the top performing competitors route video that will like allow my niche style, work with my niche style, help me get views. So and then went through it, and then we basically went through and I said here, I said copy and paste this, and then I basically gave it the prompt it told me to do. I basically gave it the prompt that AI basically told me to do. So yesterday, if y'all go to yesterday's stream, I basically copied this right here. So what AI told me to do, I gave it the prompt, and then yeah. So what I basically did is said main text. I basically copied that to ChatGPT, and I basically screwed up right here. So I said, as soon as then they basically gave me this, and I gave it the thumbnail. So I basically told it, oh, based off the thumbnail, make me a script that will align with this channel. So that way we're not falling off for just second guessing, you know. That way we can make a script that goes with this thumbnail. So what I basically did, made me a script, and I went through it, and then I told it expand the script. So I made a prompt to where it could expand the script when I need the script expanded. And then what it basically did is it gave me a title that aligned with the thumbnail. So I was just second guessing. So it just gave me this title yesterday. So you see this title right here, it gave me the landmark. So we basically went off with the thumbnail. So yeah. So if y'all go to yesterday's stream, you'll see in this chat available for y'all. It's given to y'all. But yeah. So like I said, we went off yesterday, and I basically gave it back here, and it actually gave it an image, and then wrote me a script out to it, and yeah, so yeah, and I told her basically, I said, give me an image so where we could do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it again. So yeah, so we just go to here, and it knows what style works. So you see the competitor's title was UK fighter just shoot down, and then my title was the Lakin. So we reverse engineered his title, but made mine's way different, and made mine's way transformative, but. Yeah, so mystery. So it knows what works for my lane. So yeah, that's why I say always give AI your channel bio and your channel, because it knows what exactly works for your channel to go viral. And then we made another prompt earlier, so we're not falling off topic. We know what will work and gets views. So yeah. So yeah, so if I want to go to hair chat, I basically, you see this is the latest channel. He has consistent views. So yeah, and I want to actually tell y'all about the ad thing, how the ad thing work. And I go. Probably know a lot of y'all probably been having this issue, but and I know most of y'all, some of y'all bad views and still do it the way I do, but I want you to know, bro, is when you first post a video, you want to leave that video for 6 to 12 hours. Why I say 6 to 12 hours? Because if you don't leave it up for 6 to 12 hours, YouTube could do this to your video. YouTube could do this to your video, and they was literally doing it to mine. We go to analytics. They're using this to see if people's buying views or not, and I want y'all to pay close attention to this. So if we go to preparations, we go to search. We basically go to overview. So yeah, and you see when somebody went to go search for this, it basically said it was going to go up. So you want to see more. Alright, so let me switch to my other channel. I want to show y'all what I'm talking about. I don't want y'all to feel confused. Like I said, YouTube is not an easy game, but as I'm here to help y'all explain it, I make things a bit easier as I code for y'all. So we're going to switch the channel. Let's go to my tennis channel real quick. Let's go to the tennis channel. Let me show y'all. So basically, what YouTube is doing, they're cracking down on people using SMM panels. So you need to use it in a good way. Well, I mean, in a good way, you can use it here and there, but there's people starting to get these codes. And what I mean by these codes, they're starting to get these codes.